so difficult to be in a relationship with a person who loves your child, who loves your kids. It's either a woman or a man, you understand? Or you be a stepmother. Guys, it's so difficult to love another woman's child, you understand? To love another man's child. Most of the men, they are pretending when you are in a relationship, maybe you are dating, you understand? You are dating men, they are pretending like they love your kids, but after the marriage, understand, you will see his true colors, or you will see her true colors. Understand that person, he doesn't love your kids. You understand? Because guys, men, especially men, they are pretending that like they like your kids just because they want you. He wants you, he doesn't want your kids. Guys, it's so difficult to find a man who truly loves your kids with all his heart. You understand? Most of them, they are pretending. Guys, people are pretending like they love your kids because they want you to love him. After marriage, or you are staying together for a long time, you will see his true colors. That person, he doesn't love your kids. You understand? It's so difficult, guys. A man loves your kids with all his heart. It's so difficult, or a woman.